Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Talking News. And this episode, Mutabaruka, I must say a thing or two about the Fire King, Fantan Mojah, and I will let you guys listen right away. But before you do that, like, subscribe, share, show that you care, and leave a comment. This is Talking News.
People get crazy because it look like I had some Rasta. Vac COVID gone at them head. Some reggae artists, I don't know where I go. It's where I go out though. But I have to say COVID is a traumatic experience. Reach all this bridge where we do this one tune. Last time I interviewed some Bobo on the cutting edge, you know. Very cordial, it was very nice. I mean, really nice reason, and we got through. Not like the one where they called me 2 weeks ago where the man raised my blood pressure when I look on all the door and I see my blood pressure, I go through all the door. I tell you, the man, me don't know anyway. And I say, me remember when we did have Bobo as to me personally, I don't know what the next one. When me look on Bobo in a Jamaica with them turban and robe and them broom and how them talk, my lord, and you know, all the things them that is respectable. Because that is how Prince Manuel have it. Prince Manuel is a very respectable man. Right? Very respectable Rasta. You may not agree with a whole heap of them theological beliefs and all them something there. You understand? But very respectable, very decent and all them things. You can't say, you see Bobo involved in that sort of thing. No. You have some man who wrap them head in a Rasta. And me I tell you, say, me can't believe what me I say. Because me I look on a video with one artist there. How am name again? Anyway, me I look on one video with one artist there and me I tell you, me I say, weird. Then the man couldn't even put on a little plastic bag for the bed Rasta. I mean, apart from me know say my blacks, you know, and me know him still. Me never see no, well, me never talk about, me never see no twisty locks man do a video like that yet. Me I tell you, me never see a twisted man do a video like that. Much less a man who locks a turban for the made Rasta. Turban. You know what is that turban to a Bobo? You know much thing Bobo go through for them turban when them go out of Bing and no want to take off them turban. And this man have some little girls. Them bottom gone up in the ear. And them front gone down in the... I mean, me never see nothing like that yet. I don't know. This is a COVID jumping in my head. A COVID jumping at that man's head, Rasta. COVID jumping up for him head. Nobody can tell me nothing. The man, they have some serious concussion of COVID. And good all him about Spanish flu and SRST and PQR and some disease when don't reach there yet, that reach him. So everybody have to go move far from him now because I'm good have all of COVID where no reach there yet. COVID, well, where we there now, 21 COVID. Him could have COVID 30. COVID 30, him have to go make a video like that. Me don't understand these people, Rasta. All them lose track of all. What is the aim of Rastafari in Jamaica? What's the aim of Rastafari? I mean, really and truly, every man have a little thing about him. But if you put that on all at YouTube where you know that can't come off again. All when him reach all at 90, you know. Him supposed to look at that and get off, you know, because by them time, him not Rasta again, you know. No, him not Rasta again. But when him reach at 90, him not Rasta again. So him can look back at it and get off. You understand? Go back all them fists and all. You know the way there? It's supposed to have back all them fists when them look at all that. When them all 80, 70 years old. They might look at that and I say, wow. You know? Why a man? Why I say why a man? Why a Rasta man, a musician, an artist, a reggae artist? I mean, Mr. Man I make videos still, you know, and naked woman in there, you know, them kind of weird and thing. You know, I say, right, I don't really agree with that. You know, because I don't think a black woman, the only thing black woman can do in a video, when a man in the video, is wind up them bottom in the front of the camera. You know, see it? Me must can have a woman in a video when now wind up. And me have a video where a woman now wind up, see, where we do in South Africa. But that's not so appealing to Jamaica, so we just make it stay at South Africa. But why a man that want to make a video in a state of being where I'm supposed to be? Where all black woman can do in a video is Havana, a panty, a denim panty, because denim panty, I don't call that shorts, a denim panty them have on. Why a little young daughter, everybody wear denim panty now, with them crutches, the thing itch up in them crutches and all them something. I mean, I say, why a man would have want, a Rasta man, a man who have a turban on him head, where a ball out, holy man, Elijah. Hey, just for man, the man they attack, what are they like them should just jump on him head on stage. No, I'm serious about it, you know. What they like them should have jump on him head on stage was why a man, a Rasta man claims him a Rasta man with a turban on him head, go make a video like that? What is the purpose of making a video like that? Why are you putting your belief system backwards and put it behind you and not recognizing that the image that you are projecting is not conducive and is not related to nothing where you say you deal with? Nothing where you say you deal with. I mean, if you go rent a hotel, if you are a young man, them going out, go rent to a hotel and stay in there with them. Make sure to them have an iPhone. That's because you're in the same madness again. But do what you want to do behind closed door and you know what I mean? I know business. But you can make that public, Rasta. Public. That's what I tell all of you about Rasta them and say, why I mean the Rasta business you don't move to because I see all a bubble. I see all a bubble there, they are wind up on some woman where me not hand them something there publicly. Eh? No, sir. Disgrace. Total disgrace. Me I say that. Total disgrace. Total disgrace. Me I say that publicly. You understand? I mean, no, so the bubble them feel away. The bubble them feel away, Rasta. Because if me feel away, me no feel away, say, it will affect me, you know, because that can't affect me, you know. That can't affect me, you know. But if you just say that in front of me, you know, me never tell you the honest truth, you know. In all of the wind up video them we see, you know. And the most wind up, me ever see that video. No, tell the truth, Reggie. No, me know you love the wind up video them. You love the wind up video them, man. No, the most wind up you ever see that video. Because all me see wind up in that video, you know. It look like the Rasta inside them more. You know, it's like him get them more excited. That's a yes, them a wind up for your bubble. Them a go exaggerate the whining. No, me I tell you, one of them look like them about a belt between them leg and you know, that tell you, hey, you talk about them think they short. You so see the woman them a wear belt alone, you know. Yeah, you so see the woman them.
Jano. Yo, people, you just heard it for yourselves. Okay. Well, me link up Fantan Mojah and see if I'm have a response. This is actually part 1 of 3. I have a response from Fantan Mojah. Then after that, I am going to reason with him properly. All right. So this is in the part 1 of 3. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment, show that you care. And since I am Daddy Reddss, the reggae ambassador, I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. Talking news.